This is the Y20 full touch, functioning, fitness, fashion smartwatch. Check it out. This is amazing. It's got all kinds of controls in here, including weather for the town, city that you choose in centigrade or Fahrenheit with forecast. You're looking at Shenzhen, China's weather right now. You've got brightness control, an onboard flashlight. It just goes on and on. Lots of different things that you can do there. In addition, you've got messages pushed from your phone when you're tethered to the DeFit app. Your last night's sleep time, your basic step count information is here, and other factors related to it. You've got exercise routines that you can do walking and running, cycling, skipping, even swimming with this watch. IP68, I believe. You can measure your heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, all those different things. Even has the breathe in, breathe out for stress relaxation and mindfulness. All of it's here. In addition, you can slide over and get to a lot of the same panels in big size right here as you rotate around the watch, including the music player that will play music on your phone. You've got a great selection of watch faces that are themed. We're right now looking at Women's Day and Easter and astrological signs like Aries and Pisces. If you twist the wrist, your knob, you can change to the stock watch faces that are in there as well. Plus, there's one that you can change the background picture to meet your needs. It's beautifully designed, lots of different options in body color for the case, band color to match, and it's got an extruded, is that the right word? Extruded presence here for the rotatable knob. So it's like an Apple Watch on fashion parade. Really nice. It's called the Y20, gang. Check it out.